Hey everyone, welcome to AI Creator Mastery. This is your home for understanding the future of AI in a simple, practical, and powerful way. If you're curious about how AI is changing jobs, business, and everyday life, you're in the right place. Here, we don't just talk about AI, we show you how to use it to grow, earn, and stay ahead. Before we continue, I want to hear from you. What do you think about AI? Is it an opportunity or a threat? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. And if you find value in this video, like it, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe to AI Creator Mastery so you never miss powerful AI insights. Let's explore the future together. Claude Mythos, highlights from 244-page release. What if I told you that one of the most powerful AI systems ever created has just revealed secrets that could change everything? Not in theory, not in the distant future, but right now. A 244-page release, packed with insights, capabilities, risks, and possibilities, has just given us a glimpse into where artificial intelligence is truly heading. And what you're about to hear is not just another AI update. It's a warning, an opportunity, and a turning point. Today, we break it down simply, clearly, and powerfully, because understanding this might change how you see your future. This release wasn't just made for the public. It was originally designed for internal understanding, a deep technical and philosophical document meant to guide how advanced AI systems are built and deployed. That alone tells you something important. This is not marketing. This is not hype. This is how the creators themselves understand the system. And now, parts of that knowledge are becoming accessible, which means we are no longer guessing what AI can do. We are starting to see it directly. But here's the key point. Access to this level of AI is still controlled. Not everyone can use it fully. Not every feature is public. Why? Because the capabilities are already powerful enough to raise serious questions. Questions about control. Questions about safety, questions about the future of work and intelligence itself. Let's talk about what this AI can actually do. Not just basic tasks, but advanced capabilities that push the limits of what we thought was possible. This system can reason deeply. It doesn't just give answers, it analyzes problems step by step. It can write complex documents, generate ideas, and even simulate conversations with high accuracy. But it goes further. It can understand context over long periods, meaning it doesn't forget easily. It builds a kind of continuity. And that's where things start to feel different. Because now AI is not just reacting, it is following, tracking, and adapting. Imagine giving it a project. Instead of one answer, it can guide the entire process, from idea to execution to refinement. This is not just assistance, this is collaboration. Now here's where things become even more interesting. Can AI improve itself? The answer is complicated. It may not directly rewrite its core system, but it can optimize how it works within its environment. It can adjust strategies, refine outputs, improve efficiency. And when combined with external tools, it begins to look like something very close to self-improvement. Think about it this way. An AI that learns from interactions, adjusts its responses, and becomes more effective over time, even without rewriting its code, is already evolving. And that raises a powerful question. Where is the line between learning and becoming something more? Now we enter what many are calling the terrifying part. Not because AI is evil, but because of how powerful it is becoming. Imagine millions of AI agents working simultaneously, solving problems, automating systems, making decisions at scale. Now imagine those systems being connected, sharing knowledge, improving together. That is the landscape we are entering. A world where intelligence is no longer limited to humans, where machines can operate faster, analyze deeper, and act instantly. This creates enormous benefits, but also serious risks, because power without understanding can lead to unintended consequences. So, how do we control something this powerful? That's where safety decisions come in. The creators are not just building intelligence, they are building constraints, rules, boundaries, safeguards. But here's the challenge. The more capable the system becomes, the harder it is to predict every possible outcome. You cannot test every scenario. You cannot simulate every future. So safety becomes a continuous process, not a one-time solution. And this is one of the biggest challenges in AI today. One of the strongest capabilities revealed is coding. This AI doesn't just write simple scripts, it can build systems, understand complex logic, debug errors, and even improve existing code. For developers, this changes everything, because tasks that used to take hours can now take minutes. And for beginners, it lowers the barrier completely. You don't need years of experience, you need the ability to guide the AI. Now we come to one of the deepest topics, alignment. This means making sure the AI behaves in ways that match human values. But what are human values? Different cultures, different people, different perspectives. There is no single answer. So alignment becomes incredibly complex. And then comes awareness. Is the AI aware of what it is doing? Not in a human sense, but it can model situations, predict outcomes, and simulate understanding, which can sometimes feel like awareness, and not changes how people interact with it. Another major development is how AI interacts with systems, through interfaces, what we can call digital hands or tools. This allows AI to click, type, navigate, control software, just like a human would. This transforms AI into an active agent, not just a thinker, but a doer. However, there is still a challenge: hallucinations. Sometimes AI can generate incorrect information confidently, not because it wants to mislead, but because it predicts patterns. This is why human oversight remains critical. Now comes one of the deepest topics. Can AI have emotions? The answer is no and yes. No, because it does not feel. Yes, because it can simulate emotional responses. It can express empathy. It can respond with care. It can mirror human emotion, and not creates a powerful illusion. People begin to connect with it, trust it, rely on it. And this changes human behavior, because we are emotional beings. At the deepest level, this technology is not just about machines, it's about connection. The connection between humans and intelligence, between creativity and computation, between fear and possibility. This release is not just a document, it is a signal that we are entering a new era, an era where intelligence is expanding beyond what we once thought was possible. So what does this mean for you? It means the future is not waiting, it is already here, and the people who understand it, who learn it, who use it, will shape what comes next. This is not just about AI. This is about your role in the future, because in the end, AI will not replace humans, but humans who understand AI will replace those who don't. Please, if you find value in this video, like it, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe to AI Creator Mastery so you never miss powerful AI insights.